Hi BaeBeats, what's up? I'm Lainee Beat and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Laine's Sweet Thoughts. We are going to make creamy Ubelicious Macapuno juice. Let's get started!
Dirty bit.
The things we need will be 1 can of Alaska Condensada Ubelicious Macapuno, 2 liters of water, 1 to 2 cups of coconut strips, 1 to 2 cups of cooked mini sago, 1 can of Alaska Evaporada, and a big bowl. In a big bowl, pour the 2 liters of water and then add the Alaska Ubelicious Macapuno Condensada. Mix it until well combined. And then add the coconut strips. Add the mini sago and mix it again. Add the evaporada and stir it until all ingredients are combined. You can add ice or simply put it in the fridge. And then we're done! You can now serve this to your friends and loved ones. I hope you learned a lot and I hope you liked my video. If you want to request more videos and recipes like this, just comment down below. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated every time I posted a new video. Again, this is Lainee Beat and see you on my next video. Mwah!
Dirty bit.